and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be talking about Boxycharm x Fenty, the premium box for March. This is of course going to be the full box spoilers for the premium box for March, but we're going to also talk about it because I'm not exactly as thrilled as I was initially. Like, I was so excited that we were going to be getting a full box of Fenty products until I started to actually see the Fenty products coming in the box, and now I'm not so excited about it, so we're just going to talk about it. If you guys were wondering what was on my eyeballs today, I actually did a review on the Teami Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette, except for I didn't because apparently I wasn't recording the whole time, so I think that's karma for knowing good and well that these next two videos I'm about to film is going to be negative. So look out for the next video because it's going to be about IPSY and scandal. But anyways, this video we're just going to get into the Boxycharm x Fenty situation, all of that stuff. We're going to talk about it. So if you're not into anything negative, then click off this video. That's okay. But if you're here to hear my opinions and us to discuss this and our thoughts, our opinions, our feelings down in the comments below, then definitely stay. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, then give this video a thumbs up. But I mean, who really enjoys negative videos? But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get into the video, and hopefully we won't have to make any more negative videos after today. Okay, so I have my handy dandy laptop here. What? Okay, so I have my laptop here to look off of. Let's get into it. So Boxycharm Premium is a $35 a month subscription. It's an upgrade to your regular $25 base box, and you normally get between 6 and 7 beauty items in a box. So far, I think we've only ever seen 6 items in each box, which is an extra item for $10 more than the base box. It has a promised $175 plus value in each box. You get to pick one of the items, and the items will be different throughout all the boxes. But I don't think we're gonna have a choice this coming up month because I am pretty sure everything is set in stone. I think if we do have a choice, hopefully they will allow us to choose kind of based off of our skin tone, since they don't always go off of the beauty profile, because I've gotten a lot of products for medium to deep skin tones and stuff that just does not work for me. So maybe when we get to choose, we get to actually choose some products that will actually work for us. I'm still not impressed. Like, the choices that we would be choosing from, just not impressed. So we're gonna go ahead and go through these. So the first one that we will be receiving in our box is this Fenty Beauty highlighter, and it's the Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter in Trophy Wife. So this is a very golden yellow highlighter. Is it great for my skin tone? Absolutely not. So that kind of sucks. There's not going to be a variation for it to be, you know, you get a highlight that you definitely can use. Of course, 100% you could use this highlighter on your eyes, but if you're just wanting to use it purely as a highlighter, it's not going to look good on everyone. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, maybe I would wear it for a video, but I wouldn't want to go out in public using it. And so this highlighter actually retails for $36. I just wish that there was more than just this shade option, but that's okay. I'm sure they probably just didn't sell a lot, and that's why this is coming in here, because a lot of these items have been on sale. They're not really selling that many of these, and I think that's why this is going to be in the box. So this next thing I want to talk about is the palette. This is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. It is a $59 palette, but it is on sale for $29 across the board on the website, on Sephora, and Sephora even had an extra 20% off sale not too long ago, so you can get an extra 20% off of the $29 price tag, which I was thinking about doing, but then I decided not to, and then it sold out, so I was like, okay, cool. Here's the thing. So if you were to add up all these items that I'm going to talk about today, the total price for the box would have been $173, which is like $2 less than what's normally promised. But he's saying that this box is going to be valued at $143, and that is actually true if you're going by the fact that the palette is $29 on sale. Now, a lot of items a lot of items that come in these Boxycharm boxes, I've noticed have been currently on sale the month that Boxycharm is giving out these items in their boxes. So I'm wondering why it's okay now that he's making the total price the sale price instead of the full retail price like he does with anything else. That's what I think is kind of confusing. And I mean, I get it. Like all these subscription boxes, no matter if it's on sale or not, they're like, okay, the original price is going to be included as the total value of this box. But here for this Fenty one, it's all Fenty. It's a $29 price on sale all over the board. He's not making the value the full price that was the original price. He's actually saying the sale price is included as the total value and not the full price. So that's why I'm just kind of like, why? Like, I guess because this one is, you know, specifically just Fenty. If we were to look at all the boxes and the items that were on sale when the box actually went live, the value would not be the 100 and whatever price value that they're saying we were promised. You guys give me your opinions on that, because a lot of these items that we do get in our boxes are on sale, but I just think it's a little funny that since it's a Fenty box, is that why he's okay with the $29 price being in the total value of $143 when normally it would have been $173? Do you see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it's just kind of weird how you can't, he won't, well, all subscription boxes in general won't do that, or why he's doing it now, I don't know. And also, a lot of the reviews for the palette was not very good. So I think that's why it's like on sale permanently, because people really didn't like the palette, which is why I kind of steered away from buying it, because the reviews weren't really good. And I like to actually go by the reviews that people are giving before I buy something. So that's why I didn't actually purchase the palette initially. But yeah, let's move on. So this is the only product that I'm actually excited about getting in the box. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Illuminizer. These retail for $19. It's not a clear gloss, but it's pretty clear because it's white. Well, it's like pearly, but I'm actually really excited. I've always wanted to try these. I heard they're amazing, so I'm so excited to get this. It sucks that there's not like different colors, but again, I'm so excited to try it. More than likely, I'm going to buy one of these in like another color probably after I get it, depending on if I actually like it. So I'm actually excited that I'm getting this so I can, you know, because they're expensive. These are $19. And anyways, whew. So the next item coming in the box is actually a variation color item. This is the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks Shimmer Skin Stick. And you're gonna get it either in the shade Shimmer Confetti, Rum, Unicorn, Blonde, or Chili Mango. So you have a light pinky purple kind of iridescent out of this world shade. You have a dark shade that kind of looks bronzy, a orangey red shade, a yellow golden shade, and a purple shade. So I'm not excited about these, honestly. I saw these on sale not too long ago too. These retail for $25, but they are, well, first off, the only shade that would actually work for me is the like pinky shade, the light color, but it's just like basically holographic looking, which we've already gotten holographic items in our boxes before, like the Milk Makeup holographic stick, which I did just sell on my Poshmark. So that's the only thing that I would be able to use out of here, but I'm probably not even gonna use it. So I don't even know why I'm getting this box, because I don't think I'm gonna, well, again, things that I see in person I might actually like versus things online, so we'll see when we get there. The next item is another variation item. This is the Fenty Beauty Matte Moiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and you're gonna get it in the shade Clapback, Griselda, PMS Shawty, Single, or Candy Venom. Now, I was looking at reviews on these lipsticks, and a lot of these shades here, especially Griselda, had a lot of like negative reviews, and these are all like those dark shades that people don't normally buy. Though this shade next to the pink shade I think is actually really pretty and I would wear. The rest of them I actually have all of these shades in my ColourPop Lippy Stick box, so I probably won't actually use them if I get like a dark shade, because I'm trying to like cut back on makeup. I feel like I have way too much. But anyways, that's like dumb, sorry. But these retail for $18, and yeah, these are basically the colors people aren't buying on the website. So, and the last spoiler item, and I know you guys have already seen these, but we just have to talk about it. So this is the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting paper. So we're getting blotting paper. This has a value of $16. This makes me laugh. Okay, so first off, blotting paper in itself to me is kind of like a cash grab. Not necessarily in like that kind of way, but like we don't need this as an item in general. Like as a whole, we don't need this, and if we do, it's we don't need it that expensive. $16, no. And I think the refills is like $10 or $11, and there's not a lot in there, but this is basically like cooking parchment paper that you do this with, which I think is just silly. I mean, I'm very oily, but honestly, I think blotting papers are dumb. So that's just my personal opinion. You guys might like blotting papers, but for me, no. And I just think it's funny that they're including this in the box, because I bet nobody's buying these. Like, I don't think anyone is actually going out of their way to buy these. And that goes for a lot of these items. Like, I'm sure people are buying the lipsticks, but not in those shades. And I'm sure people are buying these shimmer sticks, but I mean, I don't know. They're not something that we typically would want to wear on our face like every single day, which I think we need as consumers to start thinking about items that we would actually want to wear every single day and not buy things just because they're really cute to wear on occasion. Now, I'm sure people will wear these every single day. This is just my personal opinion, but I just don't think people are buying them. The same thing with this gloss. I think that this one is probably the hottest item in this box, the best item in here. People love these, and I think that's why they added the clear one. Well, it's not the clear one. This is the like pearly one. I think it's just so if we're to buy anything, people are gonna buy these glosses after getting this box, because yeah, and plus it's just a plain color, so this is going to appeal to everyone. And then this palette, again, I saw lots of bad reviews on it, so if it's got bad reviews and it's at a permanent sale price, it's not that good. And I can't remember about the Trophy Wife highlighter, if that was just a holiday edition highlighter or if it's like you can buy it now, or if it was available before the holidays. But I know a lot of people got this in a holiday set where everything was in this shade, and it just didn't work for every skin tone. And I think maybe they just had an abundance of these that they weren't selling. And yeah, I feel like this whole entire box is just items that they're not selling, which I mean, that's what they do for subscription boxes anyways. A lot of items people aren't selling. I just don't like this Fenty box and us being introduced to Fenty through this subscription box as items that I don't personally think are selling, which again, I could be completely wrong, just my opinion, but I'm just not excited about this box. I thought there was going to be a lot more like popular items in here, things that we would really want to see, like the gloss. You know, it's okay. We're going to try these. These might actually turn out to be really, really great, but I don't personally know. I've never tried the brand. I have tried like the powder, and I didn't like that, but I'm not basing this off of me not liking a product. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna try it, we're gonna figure it out. More than likely I might eat my own words, you know, I eat my own words a lot, but honestly, just not feeling the box, and I just wanted to come on here and give you guys my opinion about it. And I think the biggest thing that I'm just mostly upset about is the price of the box. The fact that he's valuing it at $143 when technically he could value it at $173, but he's actually allowing that off of the price off of the palette being $29 when it's originally $59, but he doesn't do that for any other product. And this goes for all subscription boxes. They always go by the original price and never the sale price, but in this case he's going by the sale price, which I think is a little like weird. Anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know all your comments down below, and let's talk about it. So yeah, I don't even know how to end this video. I just feel like this video is just a big long, like, I could talk to somebody on the phone and get this out, but I don't have anybody to call. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video that I'm also going to rant in. Bye!